Hi, I'm Ted Thomas, and today's video is about Dekalb County in Georgia. I have a special guest for this video. Her name is Linda, who is a guide and a facilitator who teaches research classes, teaching my students weekly. In this video, Linda will discuss how to navigate Dekalb County Tax Commissioner's website and show you exactly where to find the information for the next upcoming tax defaulted property auction. If you stay till the end, she'll demonstrate a step-by-step how to research properties in Dekalb County.
Hi, my name is Linda. I am one of Ted Thomas's property research experts since 2018. Today, I'm discussing Dekalb County, Georgia. I'm going to show you how to find the next upcoming auction, how to locate the auction list, and if you stay till the end, I'm going to show you a research demonstration, beginner style. But first, let me give you some quick facts about Dekalb County, Georgia. This is just one county out of the 159 in Georgia. Each county is authorized to have an auction once a month on the first Tuesday of the month. Here's how the process works in Dekalb County. You're actually purchasing a redeemable deed, which means you have no rights to the property. You are not going to win the property at the auction. Instead, Georgia provides an extremely high interest rate of 20%. And it's actually not an interest rate, it's a penalty return, meaning whatever you bid at the auction, you will receive all your money back plus 20%. You will receive that 20% if the property owner pays in 1 day, 1 month, or any time within a 12-month period. After the 12-month period, you can actually take possession of the property. Okay, now that we understand Georgia, let's focus on finding you the information to get you started. The first thing that you want to do to get more information about the next upcoming tax auction is to go to the Tax Commissioner's website. Okay, once you get to the Tax Commissioner's website, if you scroll down, immediately you're going to see a box that says delinquent tax. Here is where we can find information like when the next tax sale takes place, how to register for an upcoming auction, and how to find the auction list. To register for an auction in Dekalb County, you can either do it online or you can actually do it the morning of the sale. Now, the tabs on the right-hand side, you're going to want to read through these tabs. For example, the first document is general information, but this is actually going to be the rules of the auction and how the auction process works. Now, you can also see tax sale listing. This is how you're going to see the auction list for the next upcoming auction. View tax sale listing. Now that we have the list in front of us, you can see on the left-hand side the auction date. Now, Georgia is authorized to host their auctions on the first Tuesday of every month. So now let's get started on the property research section of this video. The property I'm going to show you today is the second property you see right here. The starting bid is $5,800. So how do you know if this is a good property or a bad property? The first thing I'm going to do is light due diligence and Google the property to see when's the last time that Google Street View has been updated. So now that I Googled the property, you can see right here on Google Maps the address. I'm going to click on Google Maps and see that this is actually the property that has a starting bid of $5,800. The Google Street View was taken January of 2023, so it's not super recent, but it's not super old either. Now, this never replaces putting physical boots on the ground, whether it's yours or someone else's, but at least you can get a good idea of how the structure and the neighborhood looks for this property. So now that it's passed the first inspection, now let's see the value of this property. How to do that is I'll go back to Google and use Zillow, which is one of the trusted sources to find the best market value prices. According to Zillow, the market value is $295,000, almost $300,000 this property is assessed at. And Zillow does provide additional photos However, we don't know when these photos were taken, so again, boots on the ground is your option. Now that was just one property out of the hundreds of properties that are available up for auction coming soon. Okay, let's review what I just went over. The starting bid was $5,800. Imagine you bid this property up to $20,000, even $25,000. Once that property gets redeemed, you're going to earn a 20% penalty return, which equals $5,000 profit in just under 12 months. Or you get the $300,000 property for just the $25,000. If you have any recommendations of a county you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.